rain in the forecast created the opportunity for the perfect crime.
Storm of Suspicion, an all-new episode, premieres tonight at 8.
Currently in our area, 39 degrees under mostly cloudy skies with windy conditions. Today, cloudy with gusty winds. A shower of rain or wet snow possible. High 41. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Low 35. Winds west-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Monday, mostly cloudy. High 52. Winds southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Well, that's definitely one way to save on your airfare. Some people chose to just fly off this bridge in West Virginia. Hundreds of daredevils jumped off the New River Gorge Bridge for the Bridge Day Festival. Now, it's part of an annual tradition. It's the state's largest one-day festival that started back in 1980, but it has roots as far back as 1909 when the road they are on was first built. Get this, the drop, 876 feet. Still seems like it needs to be a little bit of a deeper drop to really safely get you down. I'd just be so worried.